Hi, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Hoopla. I am using a computer here on an internet browser, but you can also sign up for this by downloading the Hoopla digital app on your device and clicking sign up on the bottom of that page that pops up before you even log in. Here on our computer, I am currently on our home page, which is herrickdl for districtlibrary.org right here. There are a few different ways you can get to Hoopla. You'll often see it in the catalog when you search for an item as it'll say available on Hoopla, and you can click the link and go to it that way. You will also see it as one of these little blue buttons over here on the right hand side of the screen, but they're not always in the same space. You can also hover over Books and More here and click on e-library. Read a book right here, third one down, and Hoopla is the second one on that list. You can also hover over Books and More, click Books and Magazines, and then over here in the e-library section, Hoopla is also the second one from the top. So I'll click on that one and we'll head over. Okay, here is the home page. If you have already created an account, you can sign in with your email and your password and click login. But if this is your first time, we are going to click Get Started Today. So here it is. It's going to ask for your email and to confirm that, and it'll ask for a password and to confirm that as well. This is what you will use to sign in from now on, but it will ask us for our library card in a second. So we're going to sign in. Second, it's going to ask us to choose our library. Because I am on a computer, it can see my location because I haven't hidden it, and it's going to pop right up here. You can also, as it says right here, just search for it. So if it's not popping right up for you, just search Holland or search Herrick, and you should be able to find it just fine. I'll click and then I'll click Next. Ask for the library card number. Okay, and now that I have clicked Sign Me Up, it's going to ask me to log in. There we go. So here we are on the home page. We are ready to go. There's nothing here just yet, but you can always see our other videos if you're curious about different ways that you can use Hoopla, or you can call us or email us, or you can just play around on your own as much or as little as you want. And that's how you sign up for Hoopla.